So for those of you that don't know, my name is Jennifer Harmony, and I will be your guide through this Ignite program. And if you talk to me for a couple of minutes, you will probably realize that my passion in life is teaching people how to love themselves. And the most important step on that journey is cultivating a loving, compassionate, kind inner voice. And EFT is just a phenomenal tool in order to rewire your brain, to change your DNA, to create new neural networks. And it sounds quite complex, but it's actually really, really simple. What else about me? So I have been practicing EFT, giving EFT sessions, teaching EFT workshops for over a decade now, and it's a real core part of my practice. I've spent 20 years in Asia studying loads of different kinds of meditations and spiritual practices, and awareness and presence and integrity are huge principles in my life. And I merge and fuse all of my spiritual wisdom and experience into everything that I teach with EFT and in this program. And I usually have a sold out EFT practice where I work one-on-one with private clients. And because it's been sold out, I really want to get this information to as many people as possible and to teach you, to empower you how to practice EFT by yourself in any situation, so you're not reliant on anyone else's schedule. Like, you're really learning how to do this by yourself. And it's a very simple tool, especially the way that I'm going to teach it to you. And I am just thrilled to be able to share this with you so that you can learn to really love yourself and to be your own best friend inside your mind, to believe in yourself and to cheer yourself on, which affects every area of your life, from your relationships to your work, to your body image, to your health, to how you're interacting with your family and how you're showing up in the world. And I really, really hope that you jump in and you join this program. Thank you.